configure here. Insert mode I want to here. Just I want to add some content. Whatever the content I will tell you. Okay. So I want to add the content that is server. Okay. That is server ID and username and next password. What is the username and what is the password? Okay, admin is the username and admin is the password. What is the main purpose of adding in this configurations? Because this configuration is identification purpose, because I want to deploy the code into nexus dashboard. So nexus dashboard understanding purpose, I want to change the some configurations. Once if not change now, it's addressing is not understanding in sonar to dashboard. Once if you want to implement the settings.xml file and if you want to modifying this configuration file, automatically will work using only id nexus and admin. What is the username, what is the password? Okay, this configuration we have to implement it, and otherwise we deployed the code. Okay, if in case any mistake now the code is not working and the code is not deploying, so that is the scenario. Okay, and once I want to save here. Okay, everyone just you can take the picture, this server id nexus username. I'm highlighting this, just you can highlight the picture, this configuration only, id nexus username and admin password admin server. Just you can take the picture or whatever it is. Okay, so you can add now. So once we have to completed our progress, right, after that we can add this configuration. So if you can using purpose. Okay, just take a picture. Completed? Take a pic.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise shot also we can take. Okay, now I want to save here. Okay, the data was completely saved, and now I want to switch to this part. Okay, now I'm here configure part. Now I want to switch to maven web application part. Right, now I want to deploy the code. How to deploy? Maven clean packages build purpose command. Maven sonar is test case purpose. Maven clean deploy is deploy the code purpose. Okay, so now I want to deploy the code in Nexus dashboard. It's a deploying or not, we can check. Okay, build success and go into dashboard and see this and go into repositories. The code is just see the code is deployed or not, we can check. I'm going to back and this and browse here. Okay, and see this code is deployed. Okay, this type of architecture I will show right in previously. See this architecture I want, right? So this architecture is visible. See this architecture. See, the code is successfully deployed. Okay, the code is successfully deployed. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
Tell me, Chipani.
previously we have in Nexus has three types, no ma'am. Proxy, hosted, and cache.
Mixed released snapshot.
Here now, ma'am. In direct dashboard, we can see like Nexus has three different types, no ma'am. Hosted one, group, and cache.
Where?
Go back one step back, Cindy. Previously, you opened the dashboard, no ma'am. This one not, ma'am. Go back. This one.
Another dash.
Type is this what this
Release.
type ma'am. Type. You can see the
Again?
type ma'am.
Type.
hosted proxy group.
Acha. Creation, you asking?
No, ma'am, that slide only, same slide only. We are having some type formation, no, ma'am. This
Regarding
that
And
snapshot or release.
ICICI Bank snapshot repository I want to deploy it. And release repository also we have to deploy it. Okay. So now I want to deploy the snapshot. What is your doubt? I'm not understanding. Again, you can ask.
in this nexus we have three types, no, ma'am.
Mm.
Hosted, proxy, and some group type.
Maven do hosted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That's my
create
doubt.
repository. Okay. See this is the recipes you can asking now. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
actually these are the all flavors of platforms actually. Okay. So flavors in the sense you have a Linux, you have a Debian, you have a Fedora, you have a Red Hat, different kind of operating system platforms at the same time. See at the same time these are the all flavors of platforms. FT hosted, proxy, group hosted, and proxy. These are the all flavors of platforms like that. Okay, and at the same time, select the recipe and Maven 2 group and Maven 2 hosted. I want to take Maven 2 hosted. Okay, hosting means these are the all configuration available in this repository distribution management purpose. And if you want to take create repository, if you want to group now, group related configuration was available. Okay, some little bit of differences. So once you can open now, see this repository, select a recipe is also there. Now I want to select Maven 2 hosted. Create repository, Maven 2 hosted is visible. I'm going to back here, repository and Maven create repository and now group I want to select it. See this is a recipe of group related information was available. Okay, so layout policies in three types. Okay, version policies is in three types: release, snapshot, and mixed. Mixed mostly not using. Okay, more than snapshot and release we can using. Mixed in the sense all it's a little bit of errors also there in mixed. Okay, sometimes mostly it's not using in mixed, but option is there. But in every time code developing deployment purpose, release and snapshot only we have to use. The flavors of platforms we can using into Maven 2 hosted only, because the Maven 2 hosted is automatically understanding the dashboard is comfortable, deployment is easily. Okay, that is the reason. And once we have to deploy the code now, just we can go to snapshot and the output. Okay, this is an output. So 0.01 snapshot, Maven metadata XML, the format also available. See this everything. See configuration. See what is the configuration, what are the application we have to available. See empty file also available, com file also available, and maven.xml file also available. So I want to show here. So this code is available, right? This code. See this code is available, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Maven.xml, na? See 0.01 snapshot. See 0.01 snapshot. Okay. And next 0.01 and a var file also released. Maven web application and a com.md. See this com.md. And the next Maven web application. See this Maven web application. And the next Maven web application. And the next I want to show the repositories also. And see this repository strategies and repository is also available. If you want to change the 0.01 snapshot version also, no problem. Again, we can show. See this. Yeah, one second, connection is lost. Sorry. This is a Okay. Okay. Now on this. This is which. Hmm. Okay, see this pom.xml file. Okay, modifying the pom.xml file. See in application. See this repository is available, right? This repository was available, and this repository was build. This owner type build. Okay. So this is a scenario. If you want to change the version, if you want to change the name, anything we can change and we can deploy easily. Okay. Now I want to show here. So the application was successfully deploying into code. See, and everything connector, maven to hosted and provinces and repository, application, configuration, information, everything is deploying is successfully done. The snapshot is deployable successfully, right? And going to server, where is my server? This is my server. Control N, clearing in the screen and exit here. And this, again I can exit. Okay. So now I want to again connect. I'm going to instances and I want to take maven server. Okay, connect. Copy the SSH. Guys, 1 second.